Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Airtel Extreme Stick basic setup. So basically in last video when I made an unboxing and just a first impression on the device as well, so I didn't make this video. As before making the video I should know what is going on with this device and I can answer you what is the pros and cons and everything. So let's not waste the time and go ahead and set up this device. Here it will be showing get started. So this is an Android TV device, so it is just like the Android TV setup. So we'll press get started. Now it will ask you whether you want to set it up using your phone or you want to set it up using your email address and password. If I click here skip, then I have to enter the username password on my own. It's better to go with yes. So I have clicked yes, and do remember my friends, you need an Android phone to set this up. I have my phone here. So in here what will we need to do, we have to have a Google app. If you don't have, then install it. As you can see here, it is mentioned here, install the Google app. And after installing the Google app, you have to go here, open Google, and either you can type set my phone or set up my device, or you can just say it, set up my device. So it has started. As you can see here, it is popped up. Now you will go on the next. It will search for this device as well. So as you can see here, now it is showing the code here. So this code should be same to that code that is shown on the TV there. As you can see here, the 4K XLL4, here the code is same. After it is same, you just hit next. Now it will show you device connected, continue setup on your other device. What you need to do here, now you will be selecting the which Wi-Fi you want to connect to this device. Now you will select the T Wi-Fi, that is my home Wi-Fi here. Then it will ask you to copy the Google account and everything, just select copy. It will ask to verify. Since my phone has a fingerprint sensor, I will give a fingerprint sensor. If it has your code, then you can give the code here. So after selecting the account, now it gets copying my account to that device. So see, received account and information. So it takes a few minutes. Let's skip this part. So as you can see here, it is still going on, and it takes around 1 minute or 2 minutes. Let's hope it does the fast. So after it is done, we will get this screen on the TV, internet and Google account connected. So basically what is saying is that my phone account and the Airtel Stick account has been connected now, because that is an Android TV device. So since that is Android TV, we can use the Android TV remote control app is already installed on this device. Since I have installed the Android TV remote on this device, I can also connect this device to this to control it immediately. Okay, but since I haven't gone inside there, I won't be getting that here. If I refresh it also, let's see. Yes, we are getting here HP 2707282 is the device that, but we will not use this now. We will use the remote. So we will click on the remote, select. Now also the device is also asking to use the TV remote. Location, yes, and help improve Android performance, yes. So now it is setting up few settings, and now it will ask you to select some of the apps that you already have in being used in other Android TV or on the phone. So I will deselect this all. I don't want any of these of apps. Just I will install the Hotstar, and we'll go ahead and select continue. Since this is an Airtel Extreme Stick on top of Android TV 8.0, so it will ask you to update it to the latest version. So superpowers available, it means that it has an update here. We have to install it. Just select update now. So it will download it now. It takes a few minutes according to your connection speed and everything. So after it is done, it will again ask this, but the same procedure. We don't need to select anything. I don't need to select anything. If you want, you can install any of this app. Now it will ask you to pair it with the Airtel Extreme app. So what we need to do here, friends, now we will open my Airtel Extreme app on my phone. So as you can see here, I have the Airtel Extreme app here. Now we will select here get started, and we will now select to add the device. I'm getting this because I have already set up this device. You will get only the card to set it up for the first time. Pair the new device. Now we will select get pairing code on the TV. The code that it is showing, you have to enter the same code here on the phone. After doing that, it will give the message successfully connected. So now this device is paired successfully. Now you can see there. So after the setup is done, we will see this welcome to Android TV, and then we'll go next. Meet your Google Assistant. We have a Google Assistant in this remote here. We will go next. Now you can see you can search music and videos using the Google Assistant. Also you can ask about your travel details, traffic updates, sports updates, as well as your weather. We'll go next. It has a Google Play installed in its device, so you can install any of the apps that is available on the Google Play Store. And you have Chromecast built in here. Go ahead and press done. It takes a few minutes now. I'll skip this part. So it is done now. As you can see, it has already booted up to Airtel Extreme. It says hang on while we ready your world of contents. So it is just so it is on. This is the basically on screen of the Airtel Extreme stick. So if you want to check whether you have got your account here linked or not, see friends, if the account is not linked here, it will not start also. So the account information is here, and if you want to check your plans, you can check here. Basically it comes with the Airtel Extreme free for I think 1 month. I don't know why, but in my device it is showing me a 365 days of validity. I will update this later in the description after 1 month what happens. So this is the video for how to set up the Airtel Extreme stick. Thank you for watching, my friends. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.